it's Kim from Ocean Vayu Yoga. Today we're going to do a nice, slow, gentle, easy yoga for anxiety or stress. We've all been through some crazy times lately, so let's get started. Let's start in bound angle or Baddha Konasana. So we're going to take the soles of our feet to touch. Find a straight spine. Relax your shoulders away from your ears. Close your eyes. If this pose is too intense for you on the inner thigh, grab some blocks and prop up under your knees. You can also sit up on a block or a bolster or even a pillow if it's uncomfortable on your low back. So we're just going to begin to find our breath here, taking some full deep inhales and slow exhales, really trying to elongate the breath. And then we're just going to begin to slowly fold over our legs. Let your head relax, let your arms relax. Now feeling the breath in the back body. Just feeling your back muscles expand as you breathe deeply and inhale. And as you exhale, slowly releasing, feeling the muscles in your back let go. Feel the back of your neck begin to stretch. And just take a couple more deep breaths here. And then we're going to slowly rise back up, help our legs back together, straighten them out on our mat, and just come into a nice, gentle, easy forward fold. Beginning to stretch the backs of our legs, our calf muscles, our hamstrings. Still finding those nice, deep breaths. Continuing to slow down our exhales. Good, last breath here. And then slowly rise up and bend your right knee. Place your foot flat on the floor. Take your left arm, wrap it around your right leg. Right arm can come back behind you for support. And we're just going to come into this nice, easy, gentle twist. Try to lengthen out of the crown of your head if you can. Re-find your breath here. And just take it easy, take it gentle. Be gentle with yourself today. Good, last breath. And slowly release. Straighten that right leg out, and then we'll bend the left leg. The right arm wraps around, left arm comes back behind you for support. We try to lengthen our spine. And just coming into this nice, gentle, easy twist. Taking smooth, deep, full, complete inhales and slow exhales. Okay, last breath here. And then we'll slowly release out. We're going to take our legs nice and wide in a straddle. And again, if this is uncomfortable for you, just sit on your pillow or your block. Just rest your hands on your legs. Eyes can be closed. And just breathe. Find your breath. All you need to think about is your breath, because nothing else matters. Being right here with your breath. We'll take 2 more deep inhales. And then we'll slowly release. We can help our legs back together. Then we'll just scoot forward on our mats and slowly lay down. Good. And take the soles of your feet to touch here. Hands rest on your bellies. Close your eyes. And feel your belly rise and feel it fall. Listen to the sound of your breath. Feel your body lying on the earth underneath you. Feel the support from the earth. Okay, take another deep breath here. And we're going to begin to help our knees back together. Bring them in towards your chest with a gentle rock, side to side. We're just going to rest here with our knees pulled into our chest, releasing our low back down into the mat and finding our breath. Okay, last deep breath. Exhale it out, and then drop your knees over to the right. And your right hand can gently hold your knees. Your left hand can either come out to the side or it can just rest right on your rib cage or your belly or your hip. Take your gaze to the left and find your breath here. The breath being the most important part of our practice and of our life. This is where we learn to take our yoga off the mat and into the world. And go ahead and change to the other side, dropping your knees over to the left now, gazing to the right. And just relaxing completely into this twist. Good. We'll begin to come back to center. And we'll get ready for final relaxation. Extending your legs out on your mat. You can take your legs maybe a little wider than you normally do. Let your feet fall out. Let your palms face up towards the sky. Closing your eyes. And just letting everything go. knowing that right here, right now, all is well. Let's begin to visualize a little white light, the center of our chest, right at our heart. And every single time you inhale, that little white light grows and gets a little bigger. It begins to fill your chest, make its way to your ribs and your collarbones. Every single inhale, it grows a little bit more. And this white, beautiful light is filled with peace, with love, with compassion, with joy, and whatever else comes to mind that resonates with you. Envision this white light getting bigger and bigger, enveloping your entire body. Notice what it feels like to be enveloped in this beautiful white soft cocoon. Now let's begin to expand that white cocoon. It begins to fill the room you're in, fill your house. This beautiful white light envelops your family, your friends, your neighbors, your town, your state, your country. And lastly, it envelops our whole world. This beautiful light enveloping every single person on our planet, enveloping them in love, in light, in peace, in compassion. And then imagine what that does to our world. How does it change it? Envision what it would be like if everyone felt peace, if everyone felt love. Now bring that awareness back to yourself. Come back to your heart space where this light originated. And how do you feel being enveloped in peace, in love, in compassion, in joy? Keep this light with you. Always come back to this light. And always freely share your light, sharing it with our world. Now take a full deep breath. Begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes, gently waking your bodies up. reaching your arms up and over your head for a big stretch. When you're ready, bring your knees in towards your chest. Gently rock side to side. And then roll over onto your right side, curling up into a little ball. Resting there. Another moment. And then gently begin to push yourselves up to seated. Any comfortable position. Take a full deep breath. Exhale it out. And place one hand on your heart and one on your belly. Inhale and feel the breath. Rise up to fill your chest. Exhale, feel it release. Now feel the breath, fill your belly, fill your chest, and exhale, feel your belly and your chest release. We'll do one more just like that. And then we'll take our hands to our hearts. Bring our thumbs to our third eye, the space between our eyes, and namaste. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you found this practice and our little meditation helpful for you. Please subscribe if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much. Peace and love to you all. Hope to see you back here again soon.